Prithvi Rakshati Rakshitaha. Mother Earth protects us if she is protected. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dr. Tejaswini Manogna. While talking of environment, I just want you all to visualize the concrete jungles that we are living in and the destructions that we have already created in the nature. We have been exploiting all our natural resources, cleaning up our forests and agricultural land and expanding our cities and industries for the sake of livelihood, exhausting our groundwaters and polluting our land, water and air. It is indeed we who have created the man-made disasters like floods and landslides and loss of biodiversity, species endangerment, global warming, climate change, spread of diseases and whatnot. What have we done to ourselves? I'm afraid of the plight of our future generations who would be facing the consequences of the disasters that we have created. Mahatma Gandhi ji once said, air, water, natural resources are not the inherited properties from our ancestors. They are the loans we have taken from our future generations, and we have an obligation to repay those loans with the same pristine purity. We know the causes, what caused this environmental degradation. We know the effects that this environmental degradation has been creating. And we know who is responsible for all of that. We know the solutions for all of that, but it's time that we start implementing those solutions. A solution towards a sustainable living.